Good morning, happy Thursday, everyone. Today is Thursday. It's six, almost 6:10. I've been up since 5:30. It's just I didn't feel like getting up so early this morning. Um, that's why I hate taking these allergy medicines. But I guess I gotta do it sometime. I'm having rice checks today for breakfast and English muffin and a glass of milk, and that's about it. So, yep. So I better finish my breakfast so I could clock in at 7. So I'll talk to you guys in a little while. Bye. Now heading to lunch. I'm gonna have one of those peanut butter and jelly crustables. Probably some baby carrots. I think I want pickles today. Never mind. I don't know what I want, so I'll tell you guys when I get ready to know when I know when I want one. So what I want. Can't believe it's Thursday already. Yeah. Yep. Okay, well, I better get some lunch in me, and I'll talk to you guys more in a while. Clocked out at 3:30, took a little tiny nap, and then I'm in the pool. I'll probably be in here for an hour. Let me go ahead and set Series for an hour so she'll remind me to get me out. There, she is set. So she'll remind me in an hour. Yeah, I'm happy to be in here. It's nice and cool, comfortable. Just right. Oh yeah. Let's see what I want to do. And I don't want to play music because I don't want to get tagged for copyright. So I am going to swim some more and get some good appetite for that round steak. And what else? Yeah, and I'm probably gonna dice some potatoes and put some French onion soup mix in oil and let it bake for an hour. Oh, I love that. I love that. And then the round steak and some kind of vegetables, of course, a salad. So can't go wrong with that. Hope I'm not making anyone hungry. Let me do Snapchat in here. I mean, how many Snapchat is this for me? I'll talk to you guys more later. Swimming and swimming and swimming. I'm gonna do the little ring toss here. Throw it over there that way, and then see if I can use it. Okay. Be right back. Got it in there. So I'll talk to you guys more in a little bit. Oh, I got my shower. I really got my shower. I'll clean up, make sure I had all the chlorine out of my body and all that good stuff. Now I'm going to go ahead and start fixing dinner. So, yeah, so talk to you in a little while. I got my shower already. I did that after I got back from the pool. I got all the chlorine out of my system. So I soaped my body. I shampooed my hair twice. Then I conditioned my hair and I used the body wash. So, yeah, so chlorine should be out of my body. So,
It's on your bathing suit.
No, it's not because I rinsed the bathing suit off. So now I just diced the potatoes for the French onion soup, French onion potatoes, and then I'm gonna cook the round steaks and then have dinner. So round steaks here. We have some, like I said, we have the potatoes in the oven, and then we're gonna go ahead and make some. We'll go ahead and put some green beans in on the stove. So hopefully it's gonna come. It's gonna be yummy when I get done with this. The small round steaks, cranberry sauce. I have green beans and French onion potatoes, and then a salad and a garlic toast. So I am ready to eat after the swimming. Oh yeah, I built up the appetite. I want to say, well, I got a lot accomplished today. Got up at 5:30, had breakfast. Then I worked from 7 to 3:30, did a 30-minute nap. And then after that, I went swimming for an hour, got back inside, cooked a good dinner, and then after that, got the dishes done. All I have to do is turn on the dishwasher. Oh, that's the dryer. I thought it was the washing machine. So, anyways, I'm about getting ready for tomorrow. I need to get my clothes laid out for tomorrow, what I'm going to wear. I'm going to wear my jumper tomorrow. That feels comfortable. And then I might do another swim tomorrow and have leftover pizza tomorrow night. So I think that is the plan and the goal. And we're going to go get ready. And I hope you guys had a wonderful, awesome Thursday. Remember, keep on contact with your loved ones, your friends, family, co-workers, anyone. Tell them you said hi. Tell them you care about them. Because, you know, you never know. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys more tomorrow. Have an awesome Thursday evening and have an awesome Friday day. Good night.